In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove animations in Canva. First, open Canva in your browser and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you can create one for free. Once you are on the Canva homepage, click the Create a Design button in the top right corner. Next, choose Custom Size and enter 100 for the width and 100 for the height to create a simple practice canvas. After the blank canvas opens, go to the left side menu and add an image by clicking Photos, Elements or Uploads. Drag the image onto your canvas. Click on the image so it becomes selected. At the top toolbar, click the Animate button. Canva will show different animation options for the image. If an animation is already applied, you will see it highlighted in the animation panel. To remove the animation, look for the option called Remove Animation and click it. The animation will immediately disappear and your image will return to a normal static state. If your entire page has an animation, click on the page background first and then click Animate again. From the animation panel, select Remove Animation to remove the page animation. Finally, review your design to make sure no animations remain. When everything looks correct, click Share and then download to save your design.